Hello guys, again this is Bong. Nandito po tayo sa loob po ng ating back office dito sa Questra natin, okay? So mapapansin po ninyo dito, meron po iba't ibang amount po ng mga packages or portfolio sa pag-invest po natin dito sa Questra, okay? Unang-una, meron po tayong 90 euros, 90 euros po 'yan at tatagal po 'yan ng 365 days, kanyang lifespan kumbaga after siya expire. Okay? So basically po, after 1 year, ito po yung result ng inyong profit, potential profit for the whole year. Okay? So wag naman nating pansinin yung iba na yan kasi ayoko nang i-overwhelm pa ng information. But again, from 90 euro, okay? Next package natin is 270 euros, So and so on and so forth. Napapansin po ninyo, nag-jump siya ng tatlong beses, 90, 270, 810, 2,430, and so on and so forth, okay? So, yan po mga different packages, guys, to choose from when you want to invest dito sa ating Questra. So, kami po ay mga 7 months na dito, at nagsimula po kami actually sa 270, We just tried to test the system, kung talagang maganda ba, okay? And right now po, after 7 months, ito na po, umabot na siya ng 3,420 euros. Can you imagine, Simula lang kami ng 270, ngayon 3,420 na after 7 months sa business. Okay? So, ito po yan, recent ng commission namin is 133. So, with that investment, ito po yung weekly, weekly. At hindi po namin wini-withdraw lagi yan. Okay? Binabalik muna namin yan hanggang sa gusto namin. Okay? Kasi, hanggang lumalaki yung, yung investment mo, lumalaki din yung iyong weekly profit. Okay? But that is a passive income, guys. Passive income na po yan kasi you don't have to really work so hard. You just let your money work for you. Okay? Passive income. Okay, guys, thank you very much and have a good day.